Hello, I'm Alex and this is Gingerhead Co, my sewing vlog. This video is part of Sew a Top, organised by Claire from Penguin and Pear. It's a challenge where vloggers review a top pattern that they've made. Yesterday it was Sharon from Sharon Sews and tomorrow it's going to be Josie from It Is Josie. And my chosen pattern is Inari from Named Clothing. And it's actually a pattern that has two variations. So one is a top, but the other one is a dress. It's a t-shirt pattern that you can make into a dress. I have actually made the dress as well. And I like it, but I like it more on other people. I love it on so many people that I've seen, but I'm not really loving it on me. So I made two tops now and I'm absolutely in love. So the two variations, let's focus on the two variations in the pattern. First, well, the dress is interesting because of the shape. I really like the shape. The sides are slightly curved and the back is slightly longer. So you've got slits at the sides and it's very easy to adapt. It's very easy to make. It's got some interest. It looks quite simple, but quite modern, quite urban, quite interesting, quite like something that you could buy in the shop, which I quite like. And the t-shirt is actually a crop top. And as much as I absolutely adore crop tops on other people, I didn't want one for myself because of the age and because of my character. I'm just not brave enough to flash my belly. Although I am tempted because I thought I could wear something underneath. I really like the look of it, but I made my tops, two of them, a bit longer. So the first one is the one that I'm wearing, right? As you can probably guess. And I have made a sew-along tutorial how to make this particular t-shirt. So if you want to, you can watch and you can make your own. There are cuffs in this pattern, or roll-ups in this pattern. I'm not sure if you can see. See the roll-ups, and I made them differently. That's why I wanted to make a video about it. And they're also in the dress. You can make a neckband or you can make a facing, because the facing patterns are also included in the pattern. The dress is kind of cocoon shaped. And I also made the same in this t-shirt, but the crop top is not really that curved. So I've changed that a little bit because I really like it. So the back is wider than the front, which makes it quite unusual. And as I said, it attracted me to the pattern. The shape of the dress or the top that I made attracted me to the pattern. And the choice of fabric in which to make this pattern is quite wide. Even named, recommend light to medium, with a bit of stretch or without stretch, and it is doable in a fabric that has no stretch whatsoever. It will fit because it's slightly oversized. I mean, check your sizes. It comes in sizes 4 to 18 in the UK, but now Named are changing the sizes, so I'm going to update whatever I say as soon as it's on the website, because yeah, well, I couldn't find it today, but I'm pretty sure that when I post the video there are going to be new sizes, a wider range of sizes, because Named are doing it now. But at the moment the European sizes are 32 to 46 and American it would be 0 to 14. This is Alex from the future. The Named website is now updated, and apart from the wider size range, there are some extras added to their most popular patterns. But the size range here is new, and that's our Inari. Well, they start with the dress, with the roll-ups and splits, but I love how she looks in this top. I think it's gorgeous. So there are extra sleeves, long sleeves added, and I really, really like this look. I think she looks amazing. Apart from like sleeves here, the most popular patterns are slightly updated. So you've got the kilo, or kilo as some people say, dress that is now also a jumpsuit. And also in this pattern you've got long sleeves. The long sleeves were actually available for the kilo dress, but you had to download them separately. So there are some extras. The seam allowances in Named are always 1 centimeter. It's good to remember about it. I think the instructions are great. Everything is explained very clearly. You've got some drawings. The pattern takes you step by step through the process of making either the dress or the top, and it's very easy. I could definitely recommend it to beginners who have tried sewing with knits. But because it's for stable knits, or if you prefer, you can do it in woven fabric without any stretch, it can easily be made by a beginner. Everything is very clear, nothing too complicated. You can sew it on your domestic sewing machine. My tutorial is on the overlocker with the cover stitch, but you can easily do everything on your regular sewing machine. You can top stitch with your regular sewing machine. You can do everything with your regular sewing machine. My t-shirt or my t-shirts. The first one, this one, is made in cotton jersey from Material Girl Laura. I'll try to link everything below. All the vloggers, everybody who is taking part in the challenge, and all the materials or supplies that I use. So it's cotton jersey with stretch, and it's sewed brilliantly. I made the roll-ups, and I attached the roll-ups with the chain stitch because that's what I wanted. I didn't do the short version, so I didn't do the crop top, as I said, because I want to be more decent in my old age. I made the neck band made out of ribbing because I'm a ribbing obsessed person. It's quite roomy box. See, that's why it looks brilliant as a crop top, even shorter, but I'm not going to flash. But even as it is now, it's superb. I really like it. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to wear it with plenty of outfits. It goes well with trousers, it goes well with skirts. It's probably better to wear something like that with a plain skirt because this t-shirt is very colourful. Although, on the other hand, I can use any plain of any colour, and yeah, my t-shirt will be perfect. It's breathable, it's very comfortable, it's something that I definitely need for the summer, and something that I'm going to wear till I can't wear it anymore. I'll show you the other one. The other one is a bit more of a hack because I did not add the cuffs, so they're not rolled up. I just simply hemmed that with the cover stitch. See? And it's still sticking up because of the shape of the sleeve. I like the shape of the sleeve. Nothing in named patterns is very, very common or very, very the same as everything else. They are always trying to do something extra, so even if you think that the pattern is very simple, there is some thought in it. There is a bit of proper pattern drafting there, and I love it because we all want to have clothes that are better than the ones that we buy in the shop. So in this one, again, I didn't make the crop top, but it's slightly longer, but I also made it slightly smaller. I used size 4 or size 0 in the US or size 32 in Europe. For reference, I am generally this size and it fits me perfectly. I think there are not going to be any problems fitting it because of the shape, because it's slightly oversized, not overly oversized, but just enough to make you feel comfortable. And it is comfortable. Comfortable is generally the definition of a t-shirt, and it is, as it says, it's comfortable. I used grey ribbing here to finish the neck band, and I top stitched it using the cover stitch, and I hemmed it with the cover stitch. But this t-shirt is also different because it's not stretchy. So this is cotton and it's knit, so it's got a bit of give, but I'm going to show you how much I can stretch it. Not much, see? It's not much more stretchy than woven fabric. I made it even smaller because I just wanted to have it slightly smaller, but it still fits. So marvelous, I'm very happy. I can definitely recommend this pattern. That's one of the patterns that you make quite quickly and you feel accomplished. You feel that you've made something that you're going to have a lot of wear out of, and it's suitable for all levels. So it doesn't really matter how skilled you are, how experienced you are. You can make it and it looks quite professional. And again, it doesn't really require much time, much fabric. For the smaller sizes, it's probably going to be less than 1 meter. For the bigger sizes, up to 1.5 meters, I don't think any size can use more than that, especially for the cropped version. And it's brilliant. It's also good for using up something that you've got not a lot of. So 1 meter is not a lot of. So something that is left over after making another project. It's got so many good things about it that I had to review it. I had to recommend it. Obviously, if it's not your style, don't make it. But I think we use t-shirts. Even if you don't like a certain style, you probably have a t-shirt. Even if you just sleep in a t-shirt or walk your dogs in a t-shirt or play with your children in a t-shirt, you probably need a t-shirt. And this is a good t-shirt. Thank you very much, Claire, for organizing. Thank you all the vloggers who took part. I loved the challenge. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye!